Good morning students. This video is for class 2 subject GK chapter 17 and the chapter name is Indian Defense System. Indian Defense System. So what is the main job of a defense system? The main job of a defense system is to protect us or protect. We have three types of forces. Number one is Indian Army, number two Indian Air Force, number three Indian Navy. Okay, let's talk about Indian Army. So Indian Army Day is observed on 15th January. Indian Army Day is observed on 15th January. Okay. Indian Army is the pride of our nation. Indian Army is the pride of our nation. We all feel proud because of Indian Army. They protect us every day from outsider or outside enemies. The Indian soldier is a role model for the people of India. The Indian soldier is a role model for the people of India. The reason we sleep peacefully at our homes is because soldiers are spending sleepless nights at the borders to protect us from our foreign enemies. So the main job of Indian Army is protect us from foreign enemies or outsider. So we sleep peacefully at our homes is because of soldiers are spending sleepless nights at the borders to protect us. Soldiers are our real heroes. Yes, soldiers are our real heroes. Indian Army is mainly responsible to protect the country against land-based attacks. So Indian Army is mainly responsible to protect the country against land-based attacks. Do you know Indian Army is the second largest in the world? So Indian Army is the second largest force in the world. Let's move to the Indian Air Force. Indian Air Force Day is observed on 8th October. Indian Air Force Day is observed on 8th October. The Indian Air Force, IAF, Indian Air Force, is the air arm of the Indian Armed Force. Its primary mission is to secure Indian airspace and to conduct aerial warfare during wars. Now, Indian Navy. Indian Navy Day is observed on 4th December. Indian Navy Day is observed on 4th December. The Navy's military role is to protect us from threat or use of force at the seafront. The Navy's military role is to protect us from threat or use of force at the seafront. So, Indian Army is protect us from land-based attacks. Indian Air Force protect us from air-based attacks, and Indian Navy protects us from seafront or undersea attacks. Okay. Now next, chapter 18. Chapter name is Save Water. Chapter name is Save Water. Water is the most essential source of life on the earth. as we all know that water is most important things for living. So water is the most essential source of life on the earth. We need water in every walks of life, such as for drinking, cooking, bathing, gardening, washing and many more. So we need water in every steps or every day in our life, such as for drinking, cooking, bathing, gardening, washing and many more. We should take initiative and take small steps towards saving water. So it's very important to save water. So we should take initiative and small step to save water right from our home and doing our daily tasks. Okay. Now take the correct ways to save water. Take the correct ways to save water. Number 1, turn off the tap. Or B, let the tap running. So in which way we save more water? Turn off the tap or let the tap running? Yes, turn off the tap. If we turn off the tap on time, so we save more water. Number 2, take showers or use bucket water for bathing. If we take shower daily, so we waste lots of water. So it's best to use bucket water for bathing. Fix the toilet leaks or let the toilet leak. Yes, A, fix the toilet leaks. Let the rainwater go in the drain or use rainwater tanks during monsoon. If we use rainwater tanks during monsoon, then we save lots of water. So B, don't play with water. B, play with water and waste it. No, it's not correct to waste the water. So don't play with water. We have to save the water. First, turn off the tap. A. Second, use bucket water for bathing. B. Number 3, A, fix the toilet leaks. Number 4, use rainwater tanks during monsoon. B. Number 5, don't play with water. A. All these small steps helps us to save water. Okay, so that's all for today. Keep practicing in your home. Thank you.